International Education Week is a global celebration of the meaning behind and the power of intercultural exchange and global engagement worldwide. This year marks Virginia Tech's 5th celebration as we make it an annual tradition. We kicked off this celebration with the Council of International Student Organizations and the Cranwell International Center's Dance of Nations. It was really where languages, journeys, joy, music, artistic expression, and beyond take center stage. Something that's very new and exciting for this year is that we released a call for events to our greater community. And so in addition to the tentpole events that make up International Education Week, we've had student organizations, our teaching and research faculty, as well as community members submit events to be a part of International Education Week. And it's expanded our opportunities and our engagement tremendously. We hope it will continue to grow and foster this collective identity that everybody contributes to International Education Week.